All right, we made it to day 2. Um, I watched my last video. I felt I have to pronounce a little bit. Pronounce? Yeah, I think it's pronounce. Yeah, I need to pronounce a little bit more, and I also need to stop saying things like, um, I don't know, these kind of things that stops stops the momentum of what I'm talking to. I know it's hard because, as I said, English it's not my main language, but yeah, I just gotta practice it, and keep going. Anyways, I don't know what do I want to talk today, because I had a really busy day. A lot of work. I'm currently working as a full stack developer, but to be honest, that's not my main thing. I like it. I'm not saying I don't. I like it, but I don't wanna code APIs and front end for my whole life. I wanna do more engineering stuff. That's why next year I'm starting uni. I will do software engineering. I only have 2 years of uni because I already have some credits for my vocational training. I need to stop saying that. Anyways, busy day at work. I fucked up something. I don't know exactly what I did, but I tried to dockerize my project, and I added my user as my SQL into a my SQL server when it's a MariaDB server. So I didn't know that, but I kind of changed the way the password is stored, and now I cannot enter my database anymore with my user. So I I took off my own privileges. Yeah, I don't know. It was a terrible day today. Also, Cloudflare went down, but I don't have any issues with that. But yeah, busy day. Also, I fucked up. The guy that has to solve that wasn't at the office, so I worked a lot, but I did nothing. Terrible, terrible, too bad. I read a lot of pages on the book. I already showed it yesterday, but I read a lot today. During the time I'm going to Barcelona, and during the time I'm coming back, and on my break, my hour lunch break, I eat really fast, so I just have time to do whatever. I always go to the coffee shop, and I read a little bit. Today was a little bit more interesting than yesterday, even though it nothing crazy, to be honest. They talked about structs, they talked about mutability, they talked about references. What else? Yeah, that's kind of it. But now I'm starting with implementations. They talked not really deep, but they talked about lifetimes. That's a little bit harder and more interesting. So yeah, I guess it's something. I didn't even write notes. I should start writing notes inside of the book, you know, like while I'm reading, like maybe, I don't know, underlining something or marking that, saying something like it's important. Maybe when I read it again, then I have the note and I can understand it better. Yeah, I tomorrow I will start doing that. Anyways, even though I haven't done a lot, I coded something, just some exercise. I didn't code anything crazy, but today I was mainly focused on lifetimes. So yeah, lifetimes instructs, also implementations with lifetimes. And what do we have here? Anything interesting? Yeah, implementations with lifetimes, results. That's nothing crazy. Some enums, but there isn't even implementation for Denim. So yeah, kind of generic. I mean, it's harder than what I did yesterday, 100%, but it's not that hard. I have double lifetimes, so I have a struct with a lifetime, and then I have another struct with a value that its type is the other struct. Fuck, I shouldn't be a teacher, bro. I can explain myself. Anyways, so it's two structs iterated, not iterated, but one is children of the other one, and both have lifetimes, and then you just say, okay, struct B. So fuck, man. I'm not going to cut it off, bro. I need to be able to explain this, because this might they might interview me and they can ask me this, so I should be able to explain it in English. So yeah, I'm just going to try again. Okay, so we're having two structs. One is like the okay, let me think about it. I don't want to cut these videos. I don't want to have a script. I just want to make it real and clear so that I can understand my flaws. So I have two structs. The first one already have a lifetime, and the second one have an attribute that its type if is the first struct. So obviously it should have the first struct lifetime, and the second struct also have an attribute with another lifetime. So you need to declare a where so that our second struct lifetime doesn't end before the first one, or else it would just crash and fail. Yeah, I think that's better. I mean, it's nothing crazy. I will look it after the video. I need to be able to explain it really good, because it's not a hard topic. It's not the easiest one, but it's also not super hard. Anyways, I feel good today. So this is I'm not sure how to do these videos, because this is journalism, but also a little bit more focused on my career. But for example, today it's my first day. I could train harder because my knee is a little bit fucked up. So I've been 2 weeks chilling. Should I explain that? I don't know, man. I mean, yeah, I wanted to explain, so yeah, I guess I'll just explain it. Anyways, today first day I could train a little bit more intense. I rolled, so I do jiu-jitsu. Anyways, I rolled with a good guy, and I went maybe 70%. So that was really nice. What else? And also I think I should plan my next day, because everyone says like, before going to bed, plan your next day, so you will be way more productive. Yeah, whatever, you understand me. So I think I will end this video by just kind of structuring my day. Tomorrow I will probably have a lot of work. I have to fix what I did today. I also today I wanted to do a lot of things that I couldn't, man. That's terrible. Anyways, hopefully my boss won't be so hard at me. So tomorrow I will have to work a lot. Not a lot, but yeah, I will have to work. I will read on the way to Barcelona. Hopefully I will have some more details, some more interesting things. I'll probably read as well at my lunch break. and then I will go training. I think it's going to be the same exact day as today. Yeah, exact same day as today. So yeah, basically that's it. Now it's 11:30. I will do maybe a couple exercises, 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes. I will look for what I for what I was just explaining, that I explained it really bad, so that I can handle it and be able to understand it deeply. I always thought that if you can't explain a thing, it's not because you are a bad explainer or a bad speaker, it's because you don't fully understand the topic you are talking about. So yeah, I'll just do that, and yeah, that's it. Bye.